so fresh, like it came right out of the garden.
Coriander.
Yeah, the Arabian Nights tell of a merchant who has been childless for 40 years, but was cured by concoction of cilantro.
Well, the Chinese in ancient China thought that cilantro was an aphrodisiac. So cilantro is, one, it's an appetite stimulant. One, it smells great, it probably tastes great, and it lowers cholesterol, and maybe it may even, help us be more fertile. But either way, what we're going to be making today is a Thai coconut dish using this really, really great ingredient.
So the first thing we need is 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're actually using an olive oil by Skipstone Ranch.
And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. And the way we grated the ginger is first we peeled it. So we used the peeler to peel off the skin. You don't have to get to the little crevices, just the main idea. And you can just use any cheese grater and just grate the ginger.
5 teaspoons of red curry paste.
Fish sauce is this really, really strong smell, so you want to use just a little bit. For our purposes, we're using 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and that should be enough for the whole dish.
We'll be using 27 ounces of coconut milk. It's a real hassle and it takes a lot of time to get coconut milk out of the coconut. So we're using 10 coconut milk.
So we're also using 1 pound of chicken breasts. We've been thawing the chicken breast for a while now, so it should be just ready to cook.
We're also using a half pound of mushrooms. So we have 2 different types of mushrooms in here. We have the beach mushrooms, and then we have the oyster mushrooms. You don't wash them in water, you wash them with a cloth or a damp cloth, or else they become really lovely.
Alright, so we have the lime juice, vegetable oil, ginger, red curry paste, sugar, cilantro. It smells good. It also has a great taste. It's a very exotic taste.
It's visually appealing.
Alright, let's start cooking.
Alright.
Watch
this.
Okay, so there we go.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's glory. There we
See
go.
how he does it in a huge puddle like that? And then you're just supposed to stir it around. So then you
And by
move it
stir,
around
we
the
mean
pot.
move
We
the
mean
pot
with the
around.
pot, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so next, we're gonna add the ginger and curry paste.
Ginger.
Oh.
I want to make sure it's red.
The,
no, you've got the right
the
thing.
curry paste kind of looks gross.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
Compared to the ginger, you have like this red and this yellow, so it's kind of like a fire.
Oh, and look at
The oil is burning.
is the oil burning?
Wait, you want to make sure your oil doesn't burn. Olive oil burns.
Sorry, my bad, my bad.
Lower the temperature. See how we have it just about a little less than halfway. You want to make sure the colors mix because it's a really beautiful different colors and textures.
Oh, wait, I think when they're longer than a minute, so I think we need to go get the chicken broth.
So go ahead and add that in and we're going to mix it into the curry paste. Hurry quick before it burns.
Is that slow enough for you?
No, faster.
No, faster, Kyle.
Faster, hurry. Alright, okay. Wait, you guys should come to a show that I have. It's in March. I know that's kind of far away.
I feel.
It's like belly dancing.
We're improvising.
We're adding in the fish sauce
Okay, fish sauce.
and the brown sugar. Now we're gonna simmer for 15 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the timer.
You can repeat the video if it doesn't look like
the
that.
red in there, and then you see the little pieces of ginger.
Exactly. If it doesn't look like that, then you've definitely done something wrong.
So we're gonna stir in the coconut milk, the chicken, and the mushrooms.
Once you put the chicken into the bowl, you're gonna let it simmer until the chicken is fully cooked, which can be a half an hour to an hour long.
Oh, and that's our timer.
Check the chicken actually
Check
really
it,
quick. I think actually it looks pretty cooked.
Cheers.
He adds the lime juice. So here we're gonna put the cilantro in.
Half cup.
A half cup of cilantro. And then we have extra over here to put on top of it.
We're gonna be ready to prepare this, and we'll show you what it looks like. It's kind of an epicenter to the final it all. And finally, the mushrooms.
Oh.
Really, really good, guys. I hope you enjoy your version of our Thai coconut soup because I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, thanks for coming.